My name is Andrea Bonani and I'm Airport Key Account Manager at Fives Intralogistics SPA. 30 years ago, we wrote a key chapter in the history of airport logistics by inventing the very first cross-belt sorter specifically designed for baggage handling systems. Today, cross-belt technology has become one of the most reliable solutions in modern airport, known for its ability to gently and efficiently handle baggage of any surface, shape or size. In 2023, Fives successfully deployed this field-proven technology in a new baggage handling system installation at Marseille-Provence Airport. The airport chose Fives for three main reasons: extreme compactness of our solution, its low energy consumption and the long-term reliability of our technology. At the core of France's fifth largest airport, we installed two overlapping GENI-Belt cross-belt sorters with a total length of 1.2 kilometers and a vertical change of up to 4 meters. This configuration significantly improved the efficiency of the departure baggage handling process. The system also enabled the airport to comply with new security regulations while increasing overall productivity. One of the key challenges was the project's complexity. The sorter runs through two different buildings, connecting the existing terminal with the new one and creating a seamless, fully integrated baggage flow across the entire airport. The project was delivered on time, in full compliance with all contractual milestones and without interrupting daily operations. Today, this solution stands as a symbol of what we stand for: reliability, continuous innovation, granted performance, and a sustainable vision for the future of airport logistics.